Now if there's time, there's some more information that we can add to your presentation or to your map, and we'll go ahead and add a new section here. And this one's going to be called Why Care? Why do we care about doing the survey? Well, let's find out. So for instance, we can put in the question, why is being water wise important? Why should we care about reducing stormwater runoff? And what we'd like you to do is some searching on the internet and find a video or another website that you want to link to help talk about this issue. Come up to the top here to the New Tab button and click that for a new tab. Now let's do a search for storm water runoff. Look at that. We can select it from the list. Probably the best way is to look through images and videos and find things that look instructional. For instance, like maybe one of these two graphics here that we can take a closer look, talking about what it was like before we built houses here. So there's a lot, it's all natural vegetation, and more water's going into the ground before and getting filtered through the earth before it makes it into the water. And it used to be less than 1% surface runoff would actually come over the top. And now with all of our roads, etc., apparently, according to this thing, there's 20 to 30% surface runoff instead of 1%, and less going into the ground and getting cleaned naturally. So all the pollutants end up into the water directly. And it looks like this other one is in here too. So same kind of idea, sort of before and after. If you want to pick an image to use, let's say this first one, what you can do is right click on it and copy the image URL. And if we come back here and we insert an image, we have this URL option. So we can click that. I've copied it so I can paste it in. There we go. If you want, you can put in a caption, but we'll click apply, and there we have our image right in there. If you'd like to also put in a video or another image, you can go find some more images, but we can also embed videos. So under our stormwater runoff search still, we have a number of, what is stormwater runoff? Maybe that's kind of the best video to attach so that people that aren't familiar with the problem can find out. I would just stick to the first page of results, otherwise you'll be spending forever. Also, don't necessarily watch the whole video, maybe skip through, and let's try and keep them like 5 minutes or less. So, stormwater runoff 101, we can click on that. Okay. So I won't watch any more, but I'll show you what to do for embedding this. So again, here's the URL up at the top. We can click and select everything and right click and copy, or you can of course do the magical shortcut Command C. And coming back over, we'll just click below our photo, maybe put an extra space, and we'll click our embed again, and this time we'll choose video, and we can choose YouTube, and we'll paste in our YouTube link. It wants us to click check. Okay, select this video, position to fit, so that's probably what we want, and click apply. And now we've got our Stormwater Runoff 101 video. Now put in your passionate reasoning as to why we want to reduce stormwater runoff. So what did you see in the videos that really resonated with you? You know, what's maybe the worst part? Now, of course, our stormwater goes into Lake Ontario, where we also get our drinking water, so this is a big concern. We could say something like, if water soaks into the ground first, it gets cleaned naturally. So there's a short 2-sentence reasoning about why I think stormwater runoff is a bad thing. You and your partner can come up with some other reasons if you have any others. But we'll save that. And of course, we want to come up and save our project.